Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Harpreet series, and today we are going to talk about is thyroid. So 1 in 4 women we are seeing that they are having thyroid issue, mainly we are seeing is hypothyroidism. So today we are going to talk about more of these terms like T3, T4, TSH or hypothyroidism or iodine rich food, what foods you should eat. So we are going to talk about all this in this series today. And we have with us Aishwarya, our nutritionist, who is going to help you and who is going to teach you something on thyroid.
Hello everyone, this is Nutritionist Aishwarya and welcome to the series Learn with Harpreet. Today we are going to talk about thyroid. What is thyroid? Thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped endocrine gland located in your neck. This small gland has two important hormones, that is T3 and T4. T3 is also called as triiodothyroxine and T4 is called as thyroxine. T3 and T4 indicates the number of iodine present in thyroid molecule. Have you ever wondered what produces these hormones in our body? Let me tell you. Hypothalamus, which is a part of our brain, gives signal to pituitary gland. This further gives signal to TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone. This secretes T3 and T4 in the right amount for the proper functioning of the body. Thyroid hormones are very important as they carry out many important functions in our body like metabolism, brain development, muscle functioning, appetite, breakdown of nutrients and their absorption. Now, apart from these functions, thyroid gland also produces some special cells that is called as C cells. Okay, now this C cells, okay, they produce calcitonin. Calcitonins help in maintaining the levels of calcium and phosphate in the blood, which is very important for a good bone health. I'm sure you all must be familiar with the thyroid related problems that now people are experiencing. Yes, that is hypothyroid and hyperthyroid. Do you know the difference between hypo and hypothyroid? Let me tell you. In hypothyroid, what happens? Thyroid glands are not able to produce enough amount of T3 and T4, because of which our body is not able to function well. As compared to hypothyroid, over there, our thyroid gland is producing large amounts of T3 and T4. That is more than the required quantity of the body. In both the situation, there is a hormonal imbalance created due to more or high levels of T3 and T4. Hypothyroid and hyperthyroid, among the two, hypothyroid is the most commonly seen nowadays. So let's focus more on hypothyroid and talk about it in more. Understand and discuss more about hypothyroid. Have you ever wondered the reasons for hypothyroid? Let me tell you, there are two main reasons, that is iodine deficiency and autoimmune disease, that is hashimotosthyroiditis. What do you understand with iodine deficiency? Now, it means that our body has less amount of iodine, which results into the swelling of our thyroid gland, and this condition is called as goiter. Our neck becomes swollen and enlarged. In autoimmune disease, what happens? So, our immune system, okay, which is known to protect us, it starts attacking our thyroid gland, and because of which there is no production of T3 and T4, which further leads to hormonal imbalance. There can be other reasons possible like medications, pregnancy, pituitary gland disorder, and therapies like radiations. So when you know that you have an iodine deficiency, I would suggest you to take iodine in the natural forms like your seafood, dairy products like milk, cheese, yogurt, rather than opting it from the processed foods and like supplementations. So let me tell you about symptoms that these people experience when they are having thyroid condition. They often complain about fatigue, weight gain, even though they are not eating too much, severe constipation, slow heart rate, abnormal bleeding in periods for girls. So some of you must be wondering that thyroid condition can affect which age group. Let me be straight here. All individuals can get affected with this thyroid condition. Latest researchers have shown that percentage of women are higher as compared to men. The most commonly asked question is that, is it reversible? Let me put it in a very simple way. If you are having thyroid and not taking any particular medication, that means you are in subclinical category. Your levels are not too high. So with the help of a good diet and an exercise regime, yes, you can cure it. But on the other hand, if you are having thyroid condition and you are on medication, then along with your good diet and an exercise regime, you need to focus to reduce the levels and also reduce the dosage of the medications to the minimum. So let me share some nutritional and holistic therapies that will help you manage the thyroid condition. Include vitamin B12 rich foods. Take it in the natural form. They are present in the fermented foods. People who have thyroid condition are known to have less level of vitamin B12. Restrict the amount of goitogenous food in your diet like cabbage, cauliflower, mushrooms, broccoli, etc. Avoid soy products, processed foods. Do a lot of exercise. If you are a person who takes a stress easily, do some de-stressing exercise for yourself. Focus more on vitamin E, B and C. Also, give a little focus on minerals like zinc, chromium and selenium. So I think I have given a good brief about thyroid, and I have covered most of the things, how it affects us and what are the concerns and problems related to it. I hope this has been very informative and beneficial for you. Feel free to contact us if you have thyroid related concerns or any doubts and queries.